Hey everyone, if you're into making money using the internet, there's a big chance that you've already explored how to make money on YouTube. How awesome would it be to indulge in your favorite activity while making bank doing it? There are so many success stories out there where people have turned themselves into multimillionaires just by making YouTube videos. Mr. Beast, Jake Paul? Yup, you already know these guys. Now, let me tell you something fascinating. You, too, can dive into the world of creating a successful YouTube channel that earns you thousands. That too without showing your face. How? Well, that's exactly what I'll be teaching you in today's video. And the only tools you will be using to do this are AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva. These tools are freely available and easy to use, so you should have no trouble adapting to them. But first, let's talk about what kind of videos we will be making. We are going to focus on short-form content. With the growing popularity of short-form video content and modern consumers' shorter attention spans, shorts are the future. They are the perfect way to capture the viewer's attention and target them toward other content. It's no surprise that short-form video content is rated 2.5 times more engaging than long-form video content. In 2020, the platform debuted a relatively new feature called YouTube Shorts. The team initially introduced it to allow YouTube to compete with rivals such as Instagram Reels and TikTok. As Forbes reports, YouTube is all over shorts right now, and viewers love quick, digestible content. Now, YouTube users can also record short videos, up to 60 seconds, by adding sound and music overlays in the app itself. While filming a 1-minute video is not a difficult task, editing the video is where timing comes into play. In general, though, creating a short video with your phone requires less money and more imagination than creating a long video. And with the help of AI, this process can be streamlined to such an extent that you can create 3 months worth of YouTube Shorts in one go. You can get AI to handle titles, descriptions, and hashtags. We're talking about a complete automated system for your own faceless YouTube channel, ready to make money. But what kind of niche should you make your channel in? Now, that's a million-dollar question. And to find the answer, we have to look no further than YouTube itself. There's this channel specializing in quiz and riddle videos, and it's getting millions of views. Why? Because it hooks viewers with intriguing content that keeps them glued to the screen. Engagement is through the roof compared to other content types. The secret? Well, the viewers can't help but focus on solving those riddles. Just take a peek at the comments and you'll see the love they're getting. And since the channel is monetized, the owner is making tens of thousands a month. Inspired yet? You should be. For this video, our mission begins with creating engaging riddles. First up, we're opening up ChatGPT and asking it to generate some mind-bending riddles for our audience. Now, remember, it's all about the right prompts. I'll guide you on crafting prompts that make ChatGPT churn out the most engaging riddles. Here's a prompt that you can use. I want you to create a list of 20 riddles for YouTube Shorts. Make sure the riddles are concise, engaging, and fun. Each riddle should have 3 to 4 possible answers, with only one of them being correct. Please use the table format I have shared with you below. Then, I'll lay out the desired format and ChatGPT should be able to handle the rest. But it will help if you can provide an example riddle first in the prompt. If you cannot come up with a sample riddle, you can use Google to find a suitable one. ChatGPT might generate limited responses at a time, so be patient here. Once you have the riddles ready, it is time to organize them. For that, you can use Google Sheets. The final product should be a Google Sheets file with multiple rows and columns with the data. Then, we'll head to Canva to make our videos. Open Canva, log in, and pick the right blank video canvas. Then it is time to get to work. First, select a video background. Something with an animation will look great. So let's add a video file here instead of a static image. With your background ready, let's add the intro text. Now we have to adjust the text size and style. It should be properly centered, with each element showing up clearly. You can pick a font of your choice as well. Just be sure it does not look dated. Adding a text background can help a lot with text visibility. Speaking of visibility, you can also put up an overlay to make the text stand out from the background. I am going to use a different text color for the various elements on the screen. This will make the video look more eye-catching. And just for good measure, I will even add some visual elements like this to drive further engagement. Adding animations is also a good idea. Just make sure to do it in moderation. Too much going on the screen will put off the viewers. Next, let's make sure our elements pop up and fade out in time on the screen. For this, we can use the Adjust Screen Time timing feature. With the intro finished, let's get to the actual riddle. Copy and paste the riddle text from the Google Sheets over to Canva. Give it a suitable background and adjust its positioning. Then, adjust its pop-up timing so it does not overlap with the intro. Repeat this with every element. Don't forget about the big reveal of the answer. Make it look celebratory so the viewers who got the answer feel accomplished. And hey, a bit of humor never hurts, so add that too in a tasteful way if you wish. There is just one final thing left to do. The music. Adding the right tunes can really set the mood. Take a bit of time to pick some free tracks from YouTube's music library and upload them here in Canva. Like TikTok, using trending music in YouTube Shorts allows businesses and creators to go viral in seconds. Trending music and sounds change quickly, so it's best to try different options and see what works for you. However, it is essential to choose a song that is appropriate for the video's context and useful for viewers. Now check out our YouTube short. Looks pretty cool, huh? And bam, your video is done. But the process is not finished just yet. There is still stuff left to do, but this is just one short. We need way more, and for that we need automation. And how do we do that? With the Canva's Bulk Create tool. This is a paid feature, but you can start with a 30-day free trial. Here's how it works. You will select the Enter Data Manually option in Canva, and then copy and paste the Google Sheet you made into the table that pops up. Then create a YouTube short on Canva just like you did before. Except this time, you will use the elements from the table you inserted instead of the text. The crucial part involves connecting each data point to its respective on-screen text element. After connecting all data points, users can click Generate to quickly produce 30 video shorts. Forget about long production processes and the high costs of hiring an in-house team and videographer. With AI, generating marketing videos is much more efficient. You don't have to worry about traveling to a recording studio or investing in expensive equipment. We're not done yet. To keep things fresh, let's mix up the backgrounds and colors for the next batch. Just like that, another set of shorts is ready to go. Now, the last step, setting up your faceless YouTube channel and uploading these shorts. I won't go into the details of creating a channel. I bet you've got that covered. But remember, titles, descriptions, and tags are crucial. For these, I'll once again turn to ChatGPT to generate them in one go. Just copy and paste them onto YouTube alongside your short, and you are good to go. For creators, YouTube Shorts have become an easy way to spice up content and attract more viewers. While shorts are still difficult to understand and use effectively for those who are only used to long-form content, they can still be used to reach a different audience, one that is more interested in a quick experience. Additionally, short films are often watched back-to-back, making it easier for users to find a specific creator. In short, using artificial intelligence video generation tools like the ones we looked at above can offer numerous benefits in areas such as marketing. From saving time and costs on video creation to personalizing content for specific audiences, improving conversion and recall, and disseminating information effectively, AI is revolutionizing the way videos are created and shared. It's a real game changer. What did you think of this revolutionary money-making method? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's meet again in the next video. Until next time, goodbye.